All right, y'all, we about to make some chicken cutlets, y'all, and some butter garlic pasta. 2 sticks of butter, babe. Now, you always gotta get crazy, bruh. No.
Oh, you got so ignorant with me, dog.
All right, y'all, go ahead and cut your chicken breasts real thin and then beat them down, baby. A half a cup of milk and 4 eggs, baby. Go ahead and mix them eggs in. Go with your salt and pepper, baby. Go up in there with some Italian breadcrumbs. Now go up in there with some panko breadcrumbs, some Parmesan cheese, and that garlic powder.
Put some salt and pepper. Put some garlic powder.
Now go up in that egg wash, y'all, and them breadcrumbs. Make sure it's coated real nice. Shake off all that excess, baby.
Put it on the griddle.
Put a little bit of oil on the griddle, y'all, and go ahead on and cook that chicken, y'all, 3 minutes on each side.
1 stick of butter now, baby.
Go up on there with that cooked pasta and that fresh parsley and some minced garlic, y'all. A half a lemon, baby. Go up on there with some lemon pepper seasoning, some Parmesan cheese. All right, y'all, check it out. All right, y'all, we're gonna make a rack of ribs on the griddle today. 1 stick of butter, babe. Now go up on there with them ribs. Go with plenty of my rib rub, y'all, on both sides. Go up on there with some chopped onion. You already know that, salt and pepper, babe. And hit it with my lemon pepper now. Now set your griddle to low temp, y'all. Put it in your aluminum foil. We'll be back in 1 hour to check it now. All right, y'all, I got a new cookbook coming out. It's got over 100 recipes in it. You can pre-order it now. The first 100 gonna be signed, y'all. You don't pay for it till it's on the way to your house, baby. Go ahead on and link in the bio. All right, y'all, I checked it out an hour, then I went ahead on and flipped them for 45 minutes, y'all. Up on and open them up now. Check out how tender they are now. Look at that. I added a little bit of butter. Go ahead on, y'all, and get them off that aluminum foil. Now go up on there with plenty of barbecue sauce, your favorite kind. Flip them in about 5 minutes, y'all. Now you can pull the bone right out them ribs. Check it out.